All right, so I'm going to show you a couple tricks that you can do with your camera system on LTS Connect. So first of all, you probably see this screen when you first load up LTS Connect. Now to get your cameras up, you just click on the middle there, and you'll see that they populate down below. And then click on the cameras there, down there just once, and you'll see that the cameras will populate now. And then you can switch to single screen. Give it a second to adjust the image. And then you can click on 4 screens, 9 screens, you can go back to single screen and swipe over, and then you'll go to the next camera. And swipe over, we'll go to the next camera. If you want to go back to all the cameras, you just click the little arrow here at the top. It brings you back to that view. You can click this button. If you're wondering what that does, you can just click on one camera and pop it up. Now if you're in this screen, this is what it's going to look like if you only have one camera. So you go back to the one camera. You have to go back up here to this little arrow up top, and you would have to click on all of them to get them all to come up. Now if your internet's really poor, you're probably only going to want to pull up one camera at a time. So then at that point you would just click on, like let's say camera number 9, and you can pull up that camera and just watch that one by itself. And then go back up at the top, click on camera number 10. Watch that one by itself. Camera number 11. Watch that one by itself. You can turn the phone on its side, and then you'll see a bigger picture. But those are just some of the things that you can do with the camera LTS Connect app.